Hey, boys and girls, it is Thursday, and we are actually going to switch things up a little bit. We're going to do a different kind of riddle, and this one's a logic puzzle. And so when we are reading the clues, we're going to have to use a process of elimination here to help us figure out who eats a specific kind of thing, or there might be different topics for each day. But this one, our topic says it's time for pie. And 5 kids are seated at this pie shop, and they're very hungry, and each one is only going to get one slice of pie, but each kid gets a different flavor, and we have to figure out who had what. Okay, so down here at the bottom, there are clues for us, and we are going to read each clue and figure out who gets what. So number 1 says, Mala and Rocky are allergic to dairy. So dairy is anything that would have like milk used to make it. So when I go dairy shopping, it's like cheese, cream, like whipped cream, any eggs, cottage cheese. So I'm going to look up here and see if there's any pies that would have some kind of dairy in it. And I'm going to cross it out. I'm going to put an X in the box if that one, or I could even color it in to show that they would not get that. Okay, so let's see. So Mala and Rocky are allergic to dairy. Chocolate cream. There's that word cream. Cream is dairy. So I'm going to find Mala's name and the cream, and I'm going to put an X there. Okay, and then also Rocky. So Rocky would also not get the cream. Let's see, are there any other pies that have dairy in it? Banana cream. So again, we see that word cream. So neither of them would eat that. Apple spice, blueberry, and pecan. No, pecan is a nut. Blueberry and apples are fruit. So we are done with number 1. Okay. Sam and Davis don't like fruit. So which pies have fruit in them? Chocolate, banana, apple, blueberry, or pecan? Well, I heard 3 different kinds of fruit. Did you? All right, so we heard banana, apple, and blueberry. So banana, let's find Sam. They would not eat banana, apples, or blueberry. That was Sam. Davis wouldn't like it either. So Davis doesn't like those 3. Now, do you see how in this column there's only 1 box left? That means this child has to order that cake or that pie. So I'm going to color that in. So Brandy gets banana cream. Okay. Now, if she gets banana cream, she's not going to eat any of the other pies. So we can go ahead and put X's all the way across. Okay. All right, we're ready for our next clue. Davis did not have banana cream. Well, we already know that because he doesn't like fruit. Not a very helpful tip. The person who ate the blueberry pie was not Rocky. So blueberry pie was not Rocky. So should I color it in or should I put an X if it was not him? I should put an X. So looking at this column, there's only 1 box left. So we have to color that in. That means Mala had blueberry. If she has blueberry, would she have apple and pecan? Nope. So we can put X's here. Do you notice anything else that we could color in? You're right. In the middle, there's only 1 box at the top colored in. So, or empty, I should say. So we're going to color it in. So that means Rocky had the apple pie. So if he has apple pie, would he eat pecan? Nope. So we're going to cross that one out. Okay, now we're ready for our last clue. Sam ate the pecan pie. So here's Sam. He ate pecan. So we're going to color that in. So if Sam ate that, would Sam eat chocolate cream? No. All right. If Sam had pecan pie, could Davis have it? No. So the only thing left that Davis could order was the chocolate cream. So now each kid has their own flavor. Rocky had apple, Davis had chocolate, Sam had pecan, Brandy, banana, and Mala, blueberry. All right, that was fun. So now, on the back side, boys and girls, you are going to have another word ladder. This one's called City Living. Let me read the clues to you. This says window. All right, so it says, to finish a race first, I hope I blank the bicycle race tomorrow. Take away the last 3 letters. So start at the end, and you're going to count back 1, 2, 3 to get rid of it, and then write whatever's left over. It says the opposite of lost. Change the vowel. And you know your vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So you're looking at that middle letter to change. Next, a short name for Donald. Some people are named Donald, but it says we're going to change the first letter. So we're going to keep the last 2 and just change the beginning. Okay, so the word Donald will help you out. Blank, you know how to tie your shoe. Take away the last letter. So here you're going to take off your last letter and put the first 2 up here. It says you enter a house through this. So when you're trying to walk into your house, what do you go through? Add 2 letters to the end. So these 2 come up here in the front. You need 2 more letters. All right. The first word and the last word have something to do with city living or living in a building. Okay? Don't forget to put your name on your paper and turn it in.